Hello students, this is a short video showing you how you have to record your answer sheet. You have to convert it into PDF and then you have to send it to your subject teacher. So first what you do is you just go to this Play Store and you search for the app Clear Scanner. There are other scanners also which you can use if you have already used some of them, but this I find easy. I just use it all the time. So then you install this app. Since I have already installed the app, so it is already saying open. So after you are done installing the app, you do is you just grant all the permissions that whatever it is asking for. After the app is installed on the device, what you do is you just go to this, you just click on this icon. It will be your basic page. Since I have been using it earlier also, so it is showing already scanned documents, but you need not to bother about this screen. So first what you do is you just click on this camera button and it will be asking you permission to use your camera, so you allow that. So let us suppose if I'm to take the scan of this page plus this page, since there will be multiple pages in your answer sheet. So first what we got to do is we got to click on this button. So what it will do is it will allow us to take all the pictures together and it will just like combine them into single PDF, which is very important. If I just adjust the camera over the page and then I just click the camera button and then again I don't do anything and then I just take it to another page and then I again click the camera button. If I am to take a photo of another page, since there will be multiple pages in your UT copy, I just take the picture of the third page and like this I can just take a number of pages, and then once I'm done then I just click on this button which is right mark. Then it will be asking about this, then we do it OK and it will take us to this screen. Now the green marker, they show how much of the screen will be there in the picture. So what we do is we just click on we just like adjust them just like that. We just adjust them with our fingers and we just like take this complete and then click the right tick button. Okay, then again this page we do it like this. We have to ensure that all the text is there within the green boundaries. Then this is the third page. We are doing the same thing, that we are just like adjusting the borders properly. Then we click on the right button again and it is almost done. Now all the pages are there, you don't need to touch anything. You have to click on this PDF page, what is the icon where PDF is written. Now our document is ready. Next thing that we have to do is we have to click on share. It will just be giving us a few options. We just click on Gmail and it will automatically open the Gmail. So from, it is my email address. Since I am sending it to, it will be the email address of your subject teacher, which you have been shared along with your question paper. For demo purpose, what I'll do is I'll just write my email address. So I just like written this email address. Here you have to remember that you will be entering the email address which you have got along with the question paper in the WhatsApp group. In subject you will be writing your name, that is since I have just like you will be writing your name, whatever is the name, whatever name is that of the student, you will be writing the name and then you just click this icon and it is sent to the subject teacher. I hope this helped. If you got any questions then you can just like of course message me on WhatsApp. That would be all.